Hello friends! Welcome to a new Happy Learning video. Today we're going to learn a very easy and very necessary mathematical exercise. Today we are going to learn to divide. Dividing is the most generous mathematical operation because it means sharing. Dividing is taking a quantity of something and sharing it in equal parts. For example, if we have 6 bananas and we divide them between 3 monkeys, each monkey gets 1 and 2 bananas. We already know that dividing is distributing, but how do you do the mathematical operation? Well, it's very easy using this sign, which is like an angle. There are other signs that also mean dividing, like these, but we're going to use the angle. If we have 4 buckets full of water, and we have to divide them between 2 thirsty camels in the middle of the desert, how would we do it? Well, it's very easy. We place the 4 which represent the buckets that we have to divide here, and the 2 which represents the camels that are going to receive them here. And very easily we divide the buckets. And each camel gets 2 buckets. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. How cool! Apart from dividing, we have also given the poor camels a drink. Knowing how to divide is really important for day-to-day life. We do it all the time. But what happens when we have a very large amount? Let's imagine that we have 16 carrots. And we have to divide them amongst 4 rabbits. How many carrots do they each get? Let's calculate it by performing the mathematical process step by step. It would be to write 16, which are the carrots we have to distribute, among 4, which are the rabbits we have to distribute the carrots to. We have to know that dividing is the opposite of multiplying. So to know how much 16 divided by 4 is, we have to know what number multiplied by 4 gives us a total of 16. That's why it's very important to know the times tables. Let's try. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. Ah, here we have the number we were looking for, and we put it here. Now we subtract 16 from 16, and as we don't have anything left under the 16, we put a 0. So 16 divided by 4 equals 4, and we don't have any carrots left over. The division is exact. Look how happy the rabbits are. But what would happen if instead of 16 carrots, we had 17? Let's see. What number multiplied by 4 gives me 17? Well, let's multiply. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. Oh no, that's too much. So we'll have to go back to the previous one, the 4. So, we put the 4 here and the 16 here. Now we subtract the 17 and the 16. 17 minus 16 equals 1, which we place here. So, 17 divided by 4 is still 4, but we have 1 left. We have 1 carrot left. And since there is 1 remaining, this is an integer division and not an exact division like the other one. Dividing is still really fun and easy, right? We already know what it means to divide, And we also know how to do the mathematical equation. Now, we are going to know the parts of the division that are the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, and the rest. The dividend is the amount that we are going to distribute. In this case, it is the number 17 because there are 17 carrots that we are going to distribute. The divider is the part between which the dividend will be distributed. Since there are 4 rabbits, the number 4 is the dividend. The quotient is the amount each part gets. If each rabbit gets 4 carrots, the quotient is number 4. And the rest refers to the amount that is left over. In this case, we have 1 carrot left over, which, to the displeasure of the rabbits, is what we will keep for the next day. We already know how to divide, but there is something we have to remember, and that is that 0 divided by any number always equals 0. Because if there is nothing to divide, nobody will get anything. That's pretty clear, right? Well, now that you know how to divide, you will have to go over the times tables. The times tables are essential for dividing because if you know that 3 times 2 equals 6, you will remember that 6 divided by 3 is 2 and that 6 divided by 2 is 3. Goodbye friends, dividers or distributors. See you in the next video.
Search us and subscribe to Happy Learning's YouTube channel.